In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over multiple steps that can help you troubleshoot and fix any issues attributed to Xbox Cloud Gaming if you are trying to access it on an iOS device. So, the first thing that you should do is to ensure that you are logged into a Microsoft account. As you might be aware, to use the cloud gaming service, not only do you need a Microsoft account, but you also need a Game Pass subscription. So I would highly recommend you to see if you have a Game Pass subscription active. And when you select any game from the service, you are going to be able to either play it or you are going to get a notification telling you that you need to activate Game Pass. With this step out of the way, the second thing to check is to see if you have a controller connected. As weird as it may seem, most games on the service will require a controller. There isn't a workaround to this. They basically need a controller to work, and if you don't have one, they will not allow you to play it. So, all that you have to do is connect a controller to your device. I recommend doing it over Bluetooth, so just make sure that it is enabled. Press the pairing mode button combination on your specific controller, and after it is paired to your device, you should be allowed in. If it still doesn't work, you can go over to the Bluetooth devices, remove the controller, and then try pairing it up again. As long as you follow all these steps, you should be able to access Xbox Cloud Gaming even on an iPhone. Remember that you need to have a strong internet connection to make best use of the service. If you have a slow internet connection and the latency is bad, then the experience will not be good. So you need to make sure that your ISP is giving you a strong connection and very stable, and you will be able to use the service to stream games over. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.